Hi everyone, James with the Airsoft Ministry, and G&G sent us some goodies. So what I had ordered for the birthday event was the G&G Predator we are going to be raffling off, and I think some BBs also will be giving away. Apparently, G&G sent us a little more than that, because this box is really heavy. Make sure I don't cut myself with my own knife. Okay, they love tape. I'm also trying to not cut anything inside the box. How much tape do they use? To modify my technique. It's a lot of tape. Okay, good. So the rifle's on top, so I don't have to worry about cutting through much. Hey, they sent us snacks. All right. So, we've got... Wow. 3 bottles. Boom. Turn those around. Yeah. So we got 3 big bottles of biodegradable 2.5s. These are 5,600 per bottle. These will be given away for free. Oh my. Ooh, we get patches. So they gave us a bunch of free G&G patches. Yeah. Got those. Got the tape style. Ooh, more patches. That's a lot of patches. How many? Where's the... 40... 50 patches? 50 patches, guys. Thank you. Thank you. G&G, thank you for the 50 patches. That's... Oh, here's the other. Ooh, okay, so I like these style. I like these kind more. I like that. The logo patches. Let me know what you like these styles. So here's the 3 styles that they sent us. Let me know in the comments if you like the circle patch more, the tape style, like the name tape style, or the green square patches more. Let me know in the comments which ones you guys like more. Oh boy. So we got, ooh, they're 2019 catalogs. 3, 4 of those? Wow. Ooh. More catalogs. More things with pretty pictures. I like pictures. More patches. I'm going to put those there for safekeeping. More patches. Here's some patches. Here's patches. There's patches. What are these stickers? Ooh. We got stickers. Big old stickers. I think we're keeping these. We are definitely going to keep those. So, those go back there, and then we're definitely keeping that pile. And here it is. The pride and joy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh my. I'm going to try and do this without creating a mess. Oh my. Where's the paperwork? Did they give us a rifle? They gave us a rifle. They gave us a free rifle. So, here is what we ordered. So, what we had ordered is BBs. And this bad boy. Come on. Come on. Hey, more patches. What we had ordered was this. Is that the good view? That's the good view. The G&G, this is the Predator. Boom, right there. See that? What we had ordered was this. What they also gave us to add is one of these bad boys. So that's going to definitely go in the raffle. They sent us a reindeer? Jingle bells, jingle. Sorry. I don't know if they did that or not. Because. Does it say that on the paper? No. It does. I can't read. Okay, so. This is cool. So we have. They gave us a free rifle. And a bunch of cool patches. So again, let us know in the comments. Which do you like? Name tape style patch better? Green square style patch better? Or colored or the circle logo patch better? So we will see you guys whenever you show up. We are always open on Sundays, but we are definitely going to see you at the birthday party on the 24th. Make sure you check out our social media. Make sure you check out our Facebook and our Instagram. And I love you guys. God bless all of you.